Oh, 8 years ago, I built this. A Yardmaster. That'd be good. This is 10 by 6, except now it's full. So guess what? I'm going to build another one. So as I just mentioned, this will be the new one I'm building, the Yardmaster 104 PZ. It's roughly 10 by 4. So first things first, check off all your bits and bobs. It's quite straightforward instruction booklet. There are some unclear pictures, as I'll mention later. So let's get building. Just remember, when you're building these, not all diagrams are accurate, since they come from abroad. How do you read that? Is the groove downwards? Or is it upside down and the other way up? And I've discovered that you can't fit those corner pieces if it's that way up. So it's got to be the other way around. Just bear that in mind. And now the roof is ready.